In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install one of TAC's new matte screen protectors on your brand new iPhone. We do have the matte screen protectors for both the 17 Pro and the Air. I'm going to use the Air one today and show you how that works. As you guys can see, a nice unboxing experience here, as per usual with all the TAC products. You peel here, and I just completely failed that. That still comes apart very nicely. All right, we get everything that we want in the box here. Cleaning kit, as you guys can see, clean, align, apply, remove. Very, very easily. You can follow the QR code here if you need any tips. I'm gonna clean the phone first. As you guys can see, let's get this open here. Clean this phone. Get everything you need within here to clean the phone. Squeegee, wet wipe. Let's always start with the wet wipe. Get the debris and the oils off this phone. As you guys can see on camera, I'm hoping you can pick it up on how much scrub and things get onto this phone. So now we use the dry cloth to dry it all off. So all you do now is you put this on top very easily, push down, you literally pull the pull tab here and this will come out. Swipe down from here to get rid of the air bubbles, and that's literally as easy it is to apply the screen protector from TAC. Now you take off this. As you guys can see, any air bubbles that are left, you have a little squeegee here. You can just squeegee them out and then this will lift up. And as you guys can see, that is how easy it is to put it on. Any last air bubbles now, just get them out with the squeegee that's here. And as you guys can see there, everything is really nice. There's no air bubbles, no nothing. I hope the camera can pick that up. Everything is on there, very, very nice. That's how easy it is to install the TAC screen protector. And this nice matte screen protector is on there now and it feels absolutely fantastic. These screen protectors are awesome. I love these ones from TAC. These matte finishes are, yeah, really, really nice and super, super easy to install as well. It took me maybe 30 seconds from start to finish, so big thumbs up for that.